Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to explain Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 332 core paper from 05 May June 2024 058032. Okay, let me start. Question number 1a. There are numbers given here 6, 7, 10, 12, 18, 32, 49 and 63. From this list of numbers, write down a factor of 21. Now the factor of 21, you need to understand the difference between factor and multiple. Factors are those numbers which when divided by the given number, the remainder is 0. That means that is the divisor for it. So the divisor of 21 you have to check in this numbers. So when you see the factors of 21, 3 into 7 is 21. So 7 is a factor, so 7 can be taken here. So the answer is 7 for this. Question number 2, a square number. Now in these numbers, which is the square number? You can check. 6, 7, 10, they are not square number. 12 is also no. And 49 is a square number because 7 into 7 is 49. Then a prime number. A prime number is a number which does not have any factor other than the number itself and 1. So that again we can write 10 because other all numbers are composite numbers. 63 also has factors, 32 has, 18 has, 12 has, 10 has, 6 also has 2 into 3. So these all numbers are all composite numbers. So only prime number is 7. Question number A is done. Question number B. Find the value of the cube root of 1729. So to find the cube root, we need to do the prime factorization of the number. So you do the prime factorization of it. 1728. You can, it's a even number, start with 2. 2 8s are 16 because 17 is the first two numbers. Because 1 cannot be divisible, so I have to take 17. So 2 into 8 is 16, 1 is left out. Then 2 into 6, 1 2 is 12. That 2 is 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again we can do with 2. 8 is divisible by 2, so 2 4s are 8. 6 is divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6. 4 is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4. Again I will divide with 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 cannot be taken, but 2 can be taken, 2 1s are 2 and 1 is left out, so 1 to 12 is there, so 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are, we cannot divide 1, so zeros are, then 2 3s are. Now let me try with 3. 3 3s are 9. No, it's not divisible with 3. Let us try with 7. 7 1s are 7. 3 is remaining, 33. No, 33 also not divisible by 7. So 2 1 2 3 4 2s. Because this is an odd number, I cannot divide with 2. 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Oh, sorry, this is my mistake here. Actually, I have to take here 108 because 2 1s are 2, sorry. 2 1s are 2, zeros are, then 16 is left, so 2 8s are. Then again 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 again 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Then 3 has to be taken, 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. So the prime factors when you see here, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 2s and 3 into 3 into 3. So to get the cube root, what will you do? Cube root of 1728 will be, you will take, instead of 3 you take 1 2. Again 3 2s, take 1 2. 3 3s, take 1 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is the cube root of 1728. This is the answer. Question number 2. 2 raised to 5. Find out 2 raised to 5. This is 12. Now finding out 2 raised to 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2 raised to 5 is 32. Question number 3. 5 raised to 0. So in laws of indices you have already learned that any number raised to 0 is 1. So answer is 1. Then 36 raised to half. So whenever you have a fraction as the power, you need to take the denominator as the root. So square root of 36, this is 36 raised to 1. So I'll show you the law here. A raised to m by n is nth root of a raised to m. So I have taken square root of 36 raised to 1. So square root of 36 is what? 6. So the answer is 6. Question number B is done. Question number C now. Put one pair of brackets into this calculation to make it correct. Now here you have to try for other all the options where you can put bracket and do the calculation. So if I take this as bracket 6, it will be 6 in bracket, but if I do 6 minus 6, it's 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, and minus 2 divided by 2 will be minus 1, not 4. So the bracket here should be these two. So 3 2 is 6, minus 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4 first, because this is bracket, first we will do 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is the right bracket. Question number D. Find the lowest common multiple of 30 and 68. That is LCM. So LCM is, again you can do the same way. 30 68, sorry. So take 2. 2 into 15 is 30. 2 into 34 is 68. Then 15 keep as it is. 2 1s are 2. 2 17s are. Then do 3 5s are 17 as it is. Then do 5 1s are 17 as it is. 17 1s are. 17 is a prime number. Now we got at the end 1. So the LCM of 30 and 68 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Do that in calculator. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. 1020. This is the answer. LCM is done. Question number D is done. Question number 2 now. A. Simplify 5a minus 6a plus 3a. Simplify in the sense you need to add and subtract the like terms. So all three are like terms. We can just subtract now. 5a minus 6a is minus 1a and plus 3a, and that will be minus 1 plus 3 subtraction again, and it is 2a. So the answer is 2a. Question number 2. 6x square minus 6x minus 4x square minus x. Again take the like terms. These two are like terms. 6x square minus 4x square is 2x square. Then minus 6x minus x is addition, but put the minus sign. So minus 7x. So this is the simplification of this question. 2x square minus 7x. Question number B. Find the value of c square plus d square when c is equal to 7 and d is equal to minus 5. So now just substitute the value c square 7 square plus d is minus 5, so minus 5 whole square. So that will be 49 minus plus 25, because negative number when it is squared it becomes positive. So the answer is 74. Question number C. The time t minutes to cook a chicken with a mass of m kg is capital T is equal to 35 m plus 20. T is equal to 35 m plus 20. This is the equation given. Make m the subject of the formula. So write down the equation first. T is equal to 35 m plus 20. Then flip the equation so that you need to make m as subject, so flip it. Then keeping the m term, bring 20 on the right hand side, you will get t minus 20. Then keeping m here, bring 35 on the right hand side, you will get t 20 minus 2 by 35. Because it's multiplying, it will get divided. So it is t minus 20 by 35. Okay, put the bracket here so that it is for the whole. This division is for this whole expression. Okay, question number 2 in C. Find the mass of the chicken that takes 83 minutes to cook. Now we need to find the mass, means m value. So m is equal to, t is 83 minutes, so 83 minus 20 by 35. So 83 minus 20 is how much? 63 by 35. Find out. (63) divided by 35. 9 by 5, that is 1.8 kg. Question number D. Solve these simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. We need to solve the equations here. So I'm using elimination method. So when you are using the elimination method, you have to find first decide which variable to be eliminated. So if I want to eliminate x variable, what will I do is I'll make this 5 as 15. To make this 5 as 15, I need to multiply this whole equation with 3. Or if you want to eliminate the y, and when you are eliminating x, one more thing about x is, when you are eliminating x, you have to subtract these two equations because both are positive, so it should be subtracted. Now about the other variable y, if you want to eliminate y, you have to multiply both these equations with one of the number to make it the same number. So I have to multiply 6 with 8 and 8 with this equation with 6 and this equation with this equation with 8 and this equation with 6. Then do addition. Okay, so that will take a little longer time because I need to multiply both. So I'll use the easier way. So I will only multiply this equation 1 with 3 to make it 13. So equation 1, multiplying equation 1 with 3 by 3. LTP equation 1 by 3. So I'll multiply that. So 5 3s are 15x, 6 3s are 18y, and 3 into 24 is how much? Can do 24 into 3, 72, and then this is equation 3. Subtract 3, equation 3 and 2. So do 15x minus 18y is equal to 72. 15x plus 8y. I'm writing the equation one below the other, and I'll put a minus sign here. So this is plus, it becomes minus, this is plus again minus, and this is plus again minus. Now change the signs, this is getting cancelled. Minus 18 minus 8, so add 18 plus 8, but put this sign of subtraction. 26, so minus 26y. 72 minus 33 is how much? 72 minus 33, 39. Now what is the value of y? Y is equal to 39 minus 20 by minus 26. Now cancel out the numbers using the common factors. I think there is no common factor here. Okay, so let me divide and see. 39 by 26. 39 divided by 26. So it is 1.5. So it is minus 1.5. We got y value. Now find out x. Substituting y is equal to minus 1.5 in equation 1. So 5x minus 6y, 6 into minus 1.5 is equal to 24. So 5x minus 6 into minus 1.5 becomes plus, find out how much it is, 1.5 into 6, 9. So it is plus 9. Plus 9 is equal to 24. Then 5x will be 24 minus 9. X will be 24 minus 9 by 5. How much is 24 minus 9? 15. So x is 15 by 5, which is 3. So x is 3 and y is minus 1.5. Question number D is done. Question number 3 now. Here the diagram shows, the question says, the diagram shows 4 quadrilaterals A, B, C and D on a 1 centimeter square grid. So this is a diagram given and 4 quadrilaterals are there, A, B, C and D. Next page the questions are there. Write down the mathematical name of quadrilateral A. So what is the mathematical name for this quadrilateral? It's a trapezium. You need to learn the shape quadrilateral names. Then question B, find the area of quadrilateral A. Area. To find the area, you need to count the squares here. So find the number of squares. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is 7 because this small part is here, which is not there. 7. And this is half of it, half of the square it is. We can't take completely, you can't take it. So that means it is 7 and half, 7.5 you can write. 7.5 what? Centimeter square, because it is on the centimeter square grid. Next, measure the perimeter of the quadrilateral A. Now we need to find the perimeter also. So let me erase this first. Okay, perimeter, that means you need to count this line, outlines touching the square grid. So one line is 1 centimeter, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this line. Now this line we cannot count accordingly but we need to use a Pythagoras theorem. So for Pythagoras theorem, what you need to do is just take this as a triangle, right angle triangle, like this. Now this perpendicular sides are 3 and 1. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the length of hypotenuse will be square root of square of these two numbers, 3 square and 1 square. So it will be square root of 9 plus 1, 10. So now all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus root 10. This will be our perimeter. So let us do this in calculator. 8 plus square root of 10 will be 11.162277. So round it to 2 decimal places. 11 point, only one decimal place if I round, that is fine. 11.2. So the answer is 11.2 centimeters, because it's perimeter. Question number B12 is done. Question number C now. Describe fully the single transformation that maps quadrilateral A onto quadrilateral B. Now they are asking about transformations. Area is over, perimeter is over. Let us find out the transformations here. A onto B. A onto B. So now A onto B means you can see that this is a shift. It is same position, the shape is in the same alignment, but it is going from one place to the other place, like it is shifted. So that is the translation, right? And translation, but what is the translation vector here? We need to find out. So what you'll do, you'll take one of the coordinates and corresponding coordinate in the shape which is translated, and try to count the vertical and horizontal boxes. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes below it has come. 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boxes right. So for right you will use positive, but below you will use negative. So 9 and minus 7 is the vector. So it is translation and vector is 9, negative 7. This is the answer. Then describe fully the single transformation that maps quadrilateral A onto quadrilateral C. Now quadrilateral C is here. This is quadrilateral C. Let me erase this. So now when you see this, it is the reflection. See, it is flipping completely. It has flipped. The below part has come above and the above part has come below. So it is flipped. So flipping is what? It's a reflection. But reflection in which line it is reflected, that we need to find out. For that you have to count the boxes here now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These boxes in between are 8. So half, make it half. So 4 boxes from above if you take, you will see a line here. This is the line. And this line is passing through. Which line is this? This is y is equal to minus 3. So reflection in line y is equal to minus 3 is the answer here. Reflection in line y is equal to minus 3. Next, last one is third. First one was translation, second reflection, third one they are asking quadrilateral A onto quadrilateral D. Now let us see how is the transformation here. Transformation, yeah, see here, this is D. A has become D. Now you have to understand that is a rotation, because when you rotate an object, it gets rotated and its whole orientation will go from left to right and right to left. right? So that is the rotation. But rotation, you need to know the center of rotation. So for center of rotation, you need to do is take the corresponding vertices. So these two are corresponding vertices. Draw the line segments joining them. Take two line segments. One is this, and the other one, take the other corresponding vertices, join them. After joining them, draw the perpendicular bisectors of these two lines, and that perpendicular bisector goes and meets, they both meet at a point, and that will be the center of rotation. So for that I have made a separate video, and not for this exact question but for some other question, and you can find out how to draw the, how to find out the rotation for any two center of rotation, sorry, how to find out the center of rotation for any two given figures. Okay, if you want me to make for the exact question, please do comment. I will make for the same thing, but this is the procedure to find out the center. So here the center is origin 0 0. So center of rotation is 0 0, and then you need to also find out the angle. Now how to get the angle also I'll show you. So what you do is, after you get the center, then join this the vertices, one of the vertex from the original shape to the center, join like this. Let me draw once again. And then the same vertex, corresponding vertex from the rotated shape, and check now these two lines how they are being changed. I mean, what is the angle forming in between these two lines? So you see that it is a 90-degree angle forming, and in which direction it is? The direction here is like this, it's going like this. So it is what, clockwise, 90 degrees clockwise it is. So you can write it as rotation rotation 90 degrees clockwise, center of rotation is origin 0 0. This is done. Question number D. On the grid, enlarge quadrilateral A by scale factor 2, center -3 -3. Now they are asking us to enlarge the shape. So let me erase this first. Okay, for enlargement, we know the center of enlargement. First check the center of enlargement where it is. It's 3 -3, so it is this is center of enlargement, and they are asking us to enlarge the shape by scale factor 2. Okay, so first find out how much far is this from the center of enlargement. Take one of the vertex for this. So let me take this vertex. Now this vertex is 1 2 3 4 above and 1 right. It's going 4 above and 1 right. So let us find out for the enlarged shape. It should go 8 above and 2 right. You have to count in that way. So let us count here. Now let me change the color and show you. Yeah. So it should go 8 above, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 8 above. Because why I am doing 8? Because the scale factor is 2. So I am doing 4 into 2 8, and this was the right side, it was 1 only. So 1 into 2 2 I should go, 1 2. So this coordinate is here. For this coordinate, now this coordinate will see, again count 1 2 3 4 above and 1 2 left. So just take 8 above and 1, 2, 3, 4 left, because 2 into 2 is 4. So the next vertex is this. Now when you got two vertices, you can easily find the other two vertices also by following the scale factor. So let me erase this all. Scale factor is 2, right? So when you see this original shape, this is 3 boxes above this vertex now. This box is 3 boxes above, so take 6 boxes above now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the next vertex, and this is 2 boxes right, so take 4 boxes right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got all the 4 vertices. Now join them. This is the enlarged shape. Question number D is done. Question number A of 4. Okay students, this one question, previous question, you can mark, you can write down the coordinates of the vertices, so that the examiner will come to know you have drawn the correct picture. -3, 11, and -1, 5, then -7, 5, and this is -7, 11. Okay, so this will be the final answer. Question number 4A now. Anton records the number of pets owned by each of 50 families. The table shows some of his results. Number of pets are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the number of families which have these pets are given. 5 families have 0 pets, 12 families have 1 pet, 15 families have 2 pets, and so on. There are twice as many families with 4 pets than with 5 pets. So now if 5 is 2, then 4 should be 4. If suppose 5 is 3, this should be 6, like that. It is twice. So now after you add these 4 numbers, you will know that out of 50 families, how many families are being recorded here. Remaining families you have to divide among these two in the ratio of 2:1. How I got 2:1? Because it is the number of families with 4 pets are twice than with 50. So 4 families it is 2, and 5 families it is 1. It should be in this ratio, that number. Okay, first let me find out how many families are left out by doing calculation. So I'll do 50 minus, and I'll add these numbers: 5 plus 12 plus 15 plus 9, close the bracket. 9 families are left out. So 9 should be divided among these two numbers, 4 and 5. So what is that? It should be in ratio of 2:1, and the number is 9. That should be 6 and 3, right? 6 plus 3 is 9. That's why 6 and 3. Okay. You can do the ratio thing also. 2 into by 3 into 9. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. This will be 2. Then 1 by 3 into 9 also. 3 3s are 9, so it is 3. You can do in this way also, if you are not able to understand directly how to write. So 6 and 3 will be the answer here. So 6 families having 4 pets, 3 families having 2 pets. This is completed. The table is completed. Question number 2. Complete the bar chart. Now we need to draw the bar chart using this data. So 0, 5 is already done for us. Now we'll do 1, 12. 12 is here. So take your rulers and you have to draw the bars from this point starting for 1 and this ending point. So draw the line till 12 and then make a bar. Sorry about the alignment, students. Sometimes the app won't align it on proper line, so you have to understand that it is on the line. Okay, then 2 is how much? 15. So your bar should be here till up to in between 14 and 16 is 15, so it should be here till here 15. This is 15. Next 3 9. So 9 is in between 8 and 10, so it should be till here. So draw the line, vertical lines, making a bar. So this is another bar we have drawn. Then 4 and 6. So 6 is here. It should be up to here. Then 5 is 3. So 3 is in between 2 and 4 here. So this is the bar for 5. That's it. Our bar chart is completed. Question number 3. Write down the mode. Mode is what? Which has which has the maximum frequency. So mode is 2. The highest bar is, you can see in the bar chart also. The longest bar is for 2. So the answer is 2 here. Question number 4. Calculate the mean. So for mean you need to do now multiplication of these numbers, that is 0 into 5 plus 1 into 12 plus 2 into 15 plus 3 into 9 plus 4 into 6 plus 5 into 3 by total number of families, that is 50. So 0 into 5 you can write down first, or you can directly put it in the calculator. You can do anyway. So 0 into 5 I want to show here to you. So I am writing it so that you will not be confused. Mean is 1 into 12 plus, you can see the bar also here, bar chart, and do 3 into 8. No, 3 into 9, sorry. 3 into 9 plus 4 into 6 plus 5 into 3. Then do by 50. So use your calculators for this. Fraction button, 0 into 5 plus 1 into 12 plus 3 into 9 plus 4 into 6 plus 5 into 3 by 50 is equal to 1.56. So 1.56 can be rounded to 1.6. Okay, let me check. 1 into 12. Oh, I missed out 2 into 15. I missed out. Okay. So 2 into 15 plus 3 into 9 plus 4 into 6 plus 5 into 3. Okay, let me change that here. I'll just add now. Plus 2 into 15. 2.16. So this is 2.16. Mean is 2.16. Question number 4 is done in A. Now B. 80 of the pets owned by the families are cats, rabbits, or hamsters. The table shows the number of each pet. So this is the type of pet, 3 types of pet, and number of each pet is given 38, 28, 14. Pie chart sector angle we need to find out. So to find the pie chart sector angle, we have to take the given number of pets divided by the total number of pets, which is 80. You have to look at the question carefully. Into, we have to find multiply with the complete angle. You will get the sector angle. To find out, okay, so 38 by 80 into 360. Okay, into is not typed. Into 360 is equal to 171. This is the sector angle. Then 28 by 80 into 360, 126. Next, it is 14 by 18, 80 into 360. That will be 63, because 28 half is 14, so I'll half this also. You can do like this shortcut way also, or you can use calculator if you can't understand that way. So I'll write that here, the answers 171, 126 and 63. These are the sector angles. Okay, this is done here, but sorry about this, because here I cannot show using protractor. I have made a separate video, and I am putting that in the description box. You have to go through it, how we have to complete the pie chart. So please do that, watch that video and understand it. So I have already drawn and pasted here. You can see these are the sector angles you'll get, and you can name them also. So this is what is the pet of 171 degrees is cat. They have cats. And for 126 it's rabbit, you name it. And 63 degrees is hamster, so write down that. This is done. Question number 3. One of the pets is chosen at random. Find the probability that a rabbit is chosen. So now check what is the number of rabbits given here. It's 28, and total number of pets are 80. So the probability will be 28 by 80. If you simplify with 4 sevens are 4 20s are, it is 7 by 20. Further we cannot simplify, so the probability is 7 by 25. Question number 4 is done. Question number 5 now. 5a, you can see parallel lines and a transversal. The diagram shows a pair of parallel lines and a straight line. Yeah, this is a parallel line and the straight line cutting them. Write down the mathematical name for the type of angle marked 125 degrees. So 125 degrees is called obtuse angle because it's more than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Next, give the geometrical reason why the value of x is 25. Now this x is also 125. So you have to write the reason here. The reason is alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. This is the reason. Question number B. There is again a diagram given. Now here the diagram shows 3 straight lines. So this is a straight line, this is a straight line, and this is a straight line. But when you see this is a triangle. Find the value of y. So when you want to find the value of y, you should know these 2 angles, then only you can find this value. So for finding this unknown value here, you have to make use of the other clue given here, that is 58. So this is also 58 because they are opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. So if these two are given, now find out the value for y doing 180 minus 58 plus 70. So find out y is equal to 180 minus 58 plus 70. 52. So y is 52 degrees. Write down the geometrical properties needed. Find the value of y. So write down y is equal to, here you write the value of y, 52 degrees, and then write geometrical properties. First is opposite angles are equal. We have used this property. Then sum of angles in a triangle are, sum of all the angles in a triangle are is 180 degrees. This is the reason. Question number B is done. Question number C now. The diagram shows a circle center O with a diameter OAB. This is the center, and AOB is the diameter. The line CDE is touching this circle at D. So this is the D. And the name of an angle DOB is equal to 74 degrees. So DOB, this is 74 degrees. Write down the mathematical name of the line CDE. So this line which is touching this circle at one point is called what? It's called tangent. Then question 2, work out angle ODB. Now we need to find this angle ODB. So to find that angle, now you see this is a triangle, and this triangle is an isosceles triangle because these two lines are radius, and radius for any circle is same for anywhere if you draw from the center to the circle. So when the two sides are equal, these two angles will also be equal. Okay, so you can take the two angle as x and x, take x and x. Then you will use the angle sum property here. Find out that by doing 180 minus, we need to find x, right? So 74 plus x is 180. Write down in triangle ODB. Then 2x will be bringing 74 on the right hand side. It gets subtracted from 180, and when you bring 2 on the right hand side, 180 minus 74 you find and write there. 180 minus 74 is 106. 106 divided by 2, because 2 is multiplied, it is divided by 2 on the other side. So do division by 2, you will get the answer 53. So the answer for angle ODB is 53 degrees. This is the answer. Question number 3. Work out angle BDE. Give a geometrical reason for your answer. Now we need to find this angle now. BDE. So this angle. We already got this angle right here. We got this as 53. We know this is 53. We know this is also 53. Now what is this? We need to find out. BDE. So now here you have to use the properties of circle theorem here. And when you see a tangent drawn, the angle between the tangent and the radius is always 90 degrees. It's perpendicular. The tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So from 90 subtract 53. Angle BD will be 90 minus 53. 90 minus 53 is how much? 90 minus 53, 37. So 37 degrees is the answer for angle BDE, because angle between the tangent and radius is 90 degrees. This is the reason. Next, find the interior angle of a regular 15-sided polygon. So to find the exterior angle, we do 360 by the number of sides. So to find the interior angle, you have to do 180 minus. So interior angle, can write each interior angle is equal to 180 minus 360 by number of sides, which is 15. Find out 180 minus 360 by 15, 156. This is the answer. This is the interior angle. Question number 5 is done. Question number 6. Complete the table of values for y is equal to minus x square plus 8x plus 1. Now this is the table is given to us, where x values are given from 0 to 8. We need to find the value of y. So do that using calculator. For 0, take minus 0, take 0, square it is, 0 square plus 8x, 8 into 0, plus 1. Answer is 1. Find out the same way using 1. Next, 2 is already done, so 3. (16). 4 is done, we'll do for 5. Same thing you do, delete and make 5. 16 again now 7 is left out, use find for 7. 8. These are the values, and then using this table mark the points. So I have already done here in another app, so that I get a smooth line here. If you want the video for this also, please do comment, I will put the video. So here the points are marked and we have drawn this quadratic graph. So now question number 3, write down the equation of the line of symmetry of the graph. So line of symmetry has to pass exactly from between this graph. So the graph passes through the center, the point which is the maximum point here. From there it passes. So draw the line here using your rulers. and use the dashed line for line of symmetry. I don't have here the dashed line. You can use dashed line only for yourself. So this passes through 4. So this line, the equation is what? X is equal to 4. So write this as an answer here. X is equal to 4. Then a straight line has a gradient of 1 by 2 and passes through the point 2, 7. On the grid, draw this line for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. So 2, 7 is a point. Let us first mark that point. So 2 is this line, which is let me draw a line here, 2, and 7 is in between 6 and 8. So after 6 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 here. So the point is 2, 7 is this point. This is 2, 7, and it has a gradient. Let me erase this. It has a gradient 1 and 1 by 2. The change in y is 1, change in x is 2. Up 1 box, right 2 boxes. So 1, now this is, because this is 7, so 8 will be the next 5 boxes up. This is 8, 1 box up, and 2 boxes right will be this. Then again 1 box up, 1 2 3 4 5. Then 10 boxes right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, so 2 boxes right. Now I think this is enough. You can take your ruler and make a line using these 3 dots and extend it in such a way that it has to cut the graph both the sides, both places. Cut it. Yes. Now this is the line we have got. Now they are asking the next question. The drawing part is done. This question number 1 is done. Question number 2 now. Write down the equation of this line in form of y is equal to mx plus c. So to get the y is equal to mx plus c, we need to see that what is y-intercept. Y-intercept is 6, and we gradient we know already. So write down using the gradient and y-intercept 1 by 2 x plus 6. This is the equation. Next, write down the coordinates of the points where this line intersects the graph of y is equal to minus x square plus 8x plus 1. So where it is intersecting, you have to write those points. So now here this is intersecting here at what? Let us draw the line there to see that. So here this is the point where it is intersecting. This is x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. So what will this be? It's before 0.1234 and this is 1. So it is 0.8 because it is 5 boxes, 1 number. So it is 1 box 0.2. So it is 0.8 and this is 6.2, 6.4. So the point here is 0.8 and 6.4. Then next is this. Let me draw the line. It's in between somewhere, and the next is So it must be here, this one. So this is 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 9, and 9.2, 9.4, and this is 6, 6.2, 6.4, 6.65, 6.6 and 7. 6.6 we can take, 7 you can take, 6.7 and 9.4. Okay, write down those answers. 0.8, 6.4, and then 6.7, 6.7 and 9.4. This question is done, B is done. Now question number 7. The area of some land in the ratio park is to gardens is to playground 11 is to 2 is to 3. The park has an area of 4620 meter square. Work out the area of the gardens and the area of the playground. So we need to find out the area of these two things, garden and playground. Area of park is given. So area of park, area of the park is equal to 4620 meter square, and in the ratio the park has the part as 11. So now let us take 11x as the area of the park. So 11x is equal to 4620. Using this you can find out the multiple, the common multiple for all these ratio, that is x. So x will be getting, you will get the x by doing 4620 by 11, which is, find out 4620 divided by 11, 420. So that means now this common multiple can be taken for 2 and 3 also. 2x will be 2 into 420, and 3x will be 3 into 420. Because the ratio is given, you can take this way to find out the other areas, because one area was already given to us. So 2 into 420 is equal to 840, which is the area of garden, and 3 into 420 will be 1260. So this is the answer. Garden is 840 and playground is 1620. 1260, sorry. Question number A is done. Question number B now. The park area of 4620 meter square is made up of paths and grasslands. 18% of the park area is paths. So now we have to take the area of the park and we have to see what is 80% of that area to find out the area of the paths. Show that the grassland area is 3788.4. So we have given here, the question is given in the question, it is given that 18% of the park area is having paths. So find out the area of the paths using that 18%. So 18% of 18% of 4620 is how much? For that we need to do 18 by 100 into 4620. So find out 18 by 100 into 4620 is equal to 831.6. This is the area of paths. Now area of grassland is equal to 4620 minus 831 831.6. do that. 4620 minus 831.6, we got 3788.4 exact answer. That's it. Question number B2. Seed for the grassland is sold in bags. The seed is one bag covers an area of 280 meters square. The seed in one bag covers area of 280 meters square. The bag cost $72 each for first 5 bags and then $58 each for any extra bags. Calculate the cost of the seed needed to cover the grasslands. Now first of all, the area of grassland we have found out here in the last question. Already we did that. So using that area, now we need to divide that into 280 meters square each, because one bag is covering 280 meters square. So do that. 3788.4 divided by 280, you will get the number of bags needed. Okay, so divided by 280, we get 13.53. That means we need 13 bags and one more extra bag to cover the remaining part. Okay, so that means we need to do here the cost of 14 bags. Okay, this is the number of bags. Now they are saying that first 5 bags the cost is 72. So 5 into $72 out of 14. Now out of 14, if I take out 5, I'll have remaining 9 bags. So for that remaining 9 bags the cost is 58. Find this and add them. So let me put everything in the calculator. 5 into 72 plus 9 into 58 is equal to $882. Okay, just write this together and then write the answer. $882. So this is the answer. Now question number C. The owners of the land buy new equipment for the playground. They borrow $8,500 for 4 years at a rate of 6.5% per year compound interest. Calculate the amount they repay at the end of 4 years. Give your answer correct to the nearest dollar. So here this is straightforward compound interest formula you need to apply here. So amount they will give will be principal, that means the amount they borrowed, multiplied by 1 plus 6.5 by 100 raised to 4, which will be, find out using your calculator, 8500 into, open the brackets, 1 plus 6.5 by 100 close raised to 4. The answer is 10,934.9. So you have to round this 34 to 35, nearest to dollar. So 10,935. So 10,934.9 dollars they will pay. So that should be rounded. So you will write the answer, final answer as $10,935. Question C is done. Question now D. The cafe in the park sells water in bottles A, B and C. Bottle A 330 milliliters. 330 milliliters. It is, they are selling at $1.98, and then bottle B 500 milliliters, $3.20, and bottle C is 750 ml. They are selling by with the cost as $5.10. We need to work out which bottle is the best value. You must show all your working. Okay, so finding out the best value here, because this is all given in milliliters and the dollars, you will divide each bottle cost with given milliliters. So bottle A will be 1.98 divided by 330. Then bottle B will be 3.20 divided by 500, and bottle C will be 5.10 divided by 750. Now if you do this, you can compare that each milliliter is how much, and which is the least value will be the best value for the customers. So just find out that 1.98 divided by 330 is 3 by 500, where I am getting 6 into 10 raised to minus 3. So that will be 0.006 per milliliter. It is 0.006 per milliliter. I am writing the standard form in usual form. Okay, so then next you will do 3.20 divided by 500. For this, what is the each milliliter value? 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it will be 0.0064. Next, find out for bottle C also the same way. So 5.10 divided by 750 ml will be 0.0068 $0.0068 each milliliter. So it is $0.0068 per each milliliter. So this is now this is the least, is less than 0.0064, is less than 0.0068. So which is the best value? The best value is bottle A. Write down bottle A. Question number 7 is done. Question number 8 now. The diagram shows a plan A, B, C, D of the floor of a room in Joe's house. F is the point inside the room. F is a point inside the room. Show that EF is equal to 1.9 meters. Now EF is the distance from E to F here, which is this distance. So EF we need to show that it is 1.9. So now to get EF, what we need to do is take this whole bigger, longer side of this figure, that is CD, and subtract BA or AB from it. So to do that, we have to do 5.5 minus 3.6. So what is the answer? Find out. 5.5 minus 3.6 is equal to 1.9. So it is 1.9 meters. So this is the answer. Now work out AF. We need to find this distance now, AF. So for that, again what we need to do, this bigger side BC minus, BC is 4.7, minus, do this small side, which it is leaving these two sides only, we are getting this, right? So this ED should be subtracted. So ED is 1.7. Find out. 4.7 minus 1.7, 3. So AF is 3. Write down the answer. Question number A is done in 8th question. Now question number B in 8th question, calculate the area of the floor. So you have to find out the area. So what you do is, first we'll make this, divide this whole shape into the regular normal shapes which we know how to find the area. So just take this, or else you can even do the trapezium area formula. So what are the two parallel sides here? 3.6 and 5.5. And what is the height here? 4.7. So no, this is not a trapezoid because this is having 5 sides. This is not a quadrilateral, it's a pentagon, 5-sided polygon. Okay, so we have to make this shape into 3 different shapes. So this is 1 rectangle, this is 2 rectangle, and 3 triangle. So 1 is rectangle, that is half into length into width. So 4.7 into 3.6. We can't do 5.5. 5.5 is this complete line. Okay, so 4.7 into 3.6. This is the area of this rectangle. And now area of this rectangle will be length into width again. So this width is, you have to take EF, which is 1.9. So 1.9 into 1.7. Then add again, take this triangle, half into base into height. So half base is 1.9 and height is AF, which we found out, which is 3. So do that one. Area of the rectangle will be length into width, that is 4.7 into 3.6. So 4.7 into 3.6 plus 1.7 into 1.9 or 1.9 into 1.7 plus half into base is FE. FE is again 1.9 and AF is 3. Do that and find out. 4.7 into 3.6 plus 1.9 into 1.7 plus half into base is 1.9 and height is 3 for the triangle. So now equal to 23. So it is 23 meter square area of the floor. 23. Question number A, B are done. Question C now. A cupboard is in the room is in the shape of a cuboid. The area of the base of the cupboard is 1.2 meter square and the height of the cupboard is 2.3 meters. Calculate the value of the cupboard, give the units of your answer. Now whenever you do the volume of cuboid, you do length into width into height. So now length into width will be the area of the base, right? So volume of cuboid, which is cupboard here, is length into width into height. So length into width is what? Area of base. So area of base multiplied by height, we get the volume. So whatever is given here is the same. Area of the base is given. So volume of cuboid will be, cupboard will be, volume of cupboard will be 1.2, that is area of base, multiplied by the height of the cupboard, which is 2.3. Find out. 1.2 into 2.3 is 2.76. 2.76 what? Meter cube. This is the unit. So write down 2.76 and write the unit in the next dash, meter cube. Question number C is done. Question number D. Joe buys 275 floor tiles which cost $1.64 each. Calculate the total cost of the floor tiles. This is again a straightforward question. There are 275 tiles are there. Each tile is costing $1.64. So to find the total cost of the tiles will be just multiplication of these two numbers. 275 into 1.64 will be $451 total for all the tiles. This is the answer for question number D. Then next, question number E. Joe builds a patio in the shape of a semicircle with radius 2.3 meters. Calculate the area of the patio. So area of semicircle here. Okay, so the area of semicircle is area of the semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. So what is r given here? Pi into 2.3 square by 2. Find out. Shift key pi multiplied by 2.3 square divided by 2. 8.309. So you can round it to one decimal place. Area 8.309 meter square. So answer can be rounded to two decimal places. 8.31 meter square is the area of the patio. Question number 8 is finished. Question number 9 now. 9a. Sarah rides her bicycle at a speed of 420 meters per minute. Work out her speed in kilometers per hour. So speed is given, that is 420 meters per minute. So now convert now 420 meters into kilometers. So 420 by 1000 will be the kilometers. Then 1 minute is equal to how many hours? 1 divided by 60 will be hours. So to get the answer now, we need to do 420 by 1000, that is kilometers, divided by 1 by 60. Find out. 420 by 1000 divided by 1 by 60. 25.2. So the answer is 25.2 kilometers per hour. This is the answer. Question number A is done. Now B, Jan cycles a distance of 51 kilometers. She starts at 11:55. She has a rest stop for 25 minutes. She finishes at 14:41. Calculate her average speed in kilometers per hour for the time she is cycling. Okay, so now we need to find out the time she cycled. First of all, the distance she traveled is, we need to find the average speed. So we need distance also. So distance is 51 kilometers. And time we need to find out. For time, what will we do? Time, find out how much time she has taken to reach. So you have to find the time gap between 11:55 to 14:41. So just calculate 11:55 to 14:41. 11:55 to 12:55 is 1 hour. Then 12:55 to 13:55 is 2 hours. So 1 plus 1, 2 hours. Till here it is 2 hours. Now the next is 14:41. So what it did not reach 14:55. So you have only minutes now. So 13:55 to 14 is 5 minutes. Then this 41 minutes. 41 minutes will be 46 minutes. So total time taken is equal to 2 hours 46 minutes. Now she rested also there. So rest time, if we subtract, rest time is 25 minutes. So actual time taken to cycle now. Actual time taken to cycling, or actual time taken for cycling will be 2 hours 46 minutes minus 25 minutes. So 46 minus 25 will be how much? 46 minus 25, 21 minutes. So she has taken 2 hours 21 minutes to cycle. Now we'll find out the speed. Average speed is equal to total distance 51 divided by 2 hours 21 minutes. Now we need to convert this 2 hours 21 minutes into completely hours. So let me use the calculator for that. Use shift button and take this mixed fraction part and make it 2, and go to write the fraction 21 by 60, because it is out of 60 21 minutes. So I need to change it into hours, complete hours. So it is 2 hours 2.35 hours. So 51 by 2.35 hours will be how much? So 51 divided by 2.35 is equal to 21.702. So 21.702 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the person cycling. So round it to 1 decimal place. I think it is 21.7 is enough. So this is the answer. That's all, students. The whole paper is done. Thanks for watching. Please do comment whatever you feel like. I have put all the links which I have said in this video. If you want me to make some extra videos which you did not understand, please do comment and tell me. I will make it for sure. And also subscribe to my channel. It motivates me. It gives me a lot of like some encouragement from your side that somebody is watching and subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Thanks once again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.